Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. Today I'm going to show you a way to literally collect and remove hundreds of snails and slugs from your garden without using any kind of chemicals whatsoever. First thing, come out in the morning, check your traps, remove whatever's there. This is the north side of my shed, so you want to set up these terracotta pots. That's all we're going to use as traps for slugs and snails. You don't want the sun beating down on here. You want a place that's going to stay damp and cool. The slugs are going to just show up. Basic terracotta pot, you can see that the bottom is sealed. They are going to crawl right into here. Moisture stays in there. This is a single pot. And when you look in there, you don't see anything, but check out the inside. And there's about, half a dozen or so of slugs, snails, etc. in there. It's a great way to trap them. A better way, which I learned accidentally last year, is to put a second pot over this. So you're going to get a pot that fits over this one. Let me show you. Larger pot. The whole key to this is, one is the holes up here. They're not crawling in from the bottom. They find their way in. They're going to figure it out. They're looking for cool, damp places. When you remove this pot, look at all the slugs on there. There are more on the other side. I can't get the camera over there. But can you see how nicely it works? On the inside, there are more. And the whole key is keeping this damp. So it has to be really on the north side of a structure. And if we probably flip the inside, there's old material in here. There's not many inside there. They're hanging out really right on this pot. By putting in some soil, let me show you for example, you would set the trap up, single pot, you just flip it over. But if you fill this up halfway with soil and then quickly flip it over, soak it in really nicely, and then you put the other pot over it, that mound of soil keeps us nice and moist on the outside, just like this one, and they're going to crawl and hang out on there because of the moisture. Really easy way to take care of them. I'm going to come back and kill these later. They're all entering through the top, so you don't have to worry about anything. Just seal the bottom, keep everything moist, and this is how you make terracotta pot traps for snails and slugs. Very effective. If you don't have any rain, for 7-10 days, just come over and soak it down. They're going to hang out there and you can collect them in the morning. Thanks for watching. Please check out my seed shop at therustedgarden.com.